The Alfa Water AVC filter is an automatic self-cleaning filter. It has a specially designed suction scanning system. The cleaning system consists of a kit of suction pads fixed to the central shaft. The filtration elements are composed of 3 layers: the inside support with a stainless steel screen, the central support with polymeric tissue for each specific filtration degree, and the external support with a further stainless steel screen. During the filtration process, the water is filtered from inside to outside. The water enters from the inlet connection and flows to the filtration element and exits through the outlet connection. As more impurities build up on the filtration element, the differential pressure gradually increases until the programmed set point is reached. The control panel activates the electrical motor and the discharge valve is opened, starting the rotation of the suction pads. In the cleaning phase, whole sectors of the filter elements ensure normal filtration of the filtering element from inside to outside. Thanks to its flexible scanner mechanism, ensuring the perfect adherence of the suction pads to the filtration elements, the impurities are thoroughly sucked into the pads. The wastewater is discharged through the drain valve and the differential pressure starts to go down as it returns to zero. The backwash valve closes, the cleaning phase stops, the suction pads stop moving and the motor stops, returning the filter to its static filtration phase.